See our output. Here, favorite again. Yes. Now click on save. So we got one error. Here is the unsupported media type. Media type is text plain. So we while we save data, we have to specify media type is a text.json. So let's go to create header. HTTP options. New HTTP headers. We are going to specify content type application JSON. Let's specify here the HTTP options. So we specify. So let's remove here. We specify here. Let's do this line again. Now let's see output. Let's set my favorite game is JS. Now click and save. So access control. So we have access control on origin. So let me on. Click on save. Oh, successfully. So let's update information. Favorite fruit mango. Save. So it's successfully saved, and here return type is ID, error message is blank, and success. So let's go to our candidate detail component with data dot success is true and display equal to. So now we have successfully edit information. Now let's click on add button. We are going to add new candidate information. So let's go to candidate list HTML page, specify click event, add new candidate. So please bind this event, add new candidate, list.candidate equal to new candidate, because we are going to add new record. So create new object of candidate. Now let's specify this dot candidate dot favorite collection list also array order. Click on add button. So blank list candidate blank from display. Now specify update gender male favorite food mango sports event. Now click on save. So let's see here, we get new ID 12. So it successfully inserted new record but not displaying PrimeNG data table control. So let's do it. So first of all, we save candidate information in candidate detail page. and our candidate list component we have candidate array. So we have to inform to candidate list component that we added new candidate information to candidate list. So let's go to create event emitter to notify candidate list. Output save candidate notify new event emitter. And we are going to return candidate to parent control and make sure output is the part of Angular core. So import output event emitter. So let's remove both things from here. So now we have candidate notify event emitter. So when we save database data information and successfully save data, we are going to emit. So this dot save candidate notify dot emit this dot candidate, and also let's update candidate dot id equal to data dot id, because when we edit candidate information that id remaining same, but when we are going to add new candidate, then we get new id in data object. So we update id information and notify to our candidate list component. So let's go to candidate list component. Let's go to candidate list component. So here is candidate detail. Let's bind save candidate notify save candidate dollar event. Let's bind to component file, and we know its data type is candidate. Let's specify meaningful name candidate, type is candidate. We have this dot candidate list dot find we are using a function x dot id this dot id constant and candidate if candidate equal to none. Let's push this object to our collection candidate list or push candidate this dot candidate equal to none. So now let's see. Add update gender female edit name just not become save. So successfully saved with id 13, but do not reflect here PrimeNG data table control. So let's go to HTML page. We have to specify that immutable equal to false. To add new date of birth, mail, sports, cricket, save. So it's successfully displayed here, but date of birth is missing. So let's resolve this thing. Go to component, go to dog range. Let's specify one more event on select dot event. So let's find this event. Candidate equal to let's add candidate. Date of birth, female, code, Java, so successfully added new candidate, and also let's update its information. Yes, add one more. No, just date of birth to March 12th March 1963. Now click on save. So see, name updated, March 12th March, date of birth also updated. So we successfully edit candidate information. Now let's add drop down for male and female gender. So let's go to create PrimeNG drop down control here. For drop down we are going to add male and female information. So let's create one more model here. Its name is gender.ts file. Let's specify export gender. Let's go to candidate detail component. Here we are going to specify gender list for male and female. So let's create gender list object. List type gender, area of gender, and also selected gender. Its type is gender. So on initialize, we are going to prepare array of gender. Specify code and format. Let's type this name. Female for female. So this is our gender list. So we have to if candidate IDs. Now we have gender list information here. So let's bind to our Let's replace our gender text box control with drop down. So here is gender equals p drop down. From drop down we have to import drop down component. Drop down module, also make sure imported in that. Drop down module, let's go to candidate detail, active page, drop down, options, gender list, and we are going to bind with selected gender. Specify name, and option label equal to name, that we have property of gender object, gender class property, and also let's specify style with pixel. Now let's remove this text field. Label, because we have drop down. Now we have drop down with gender list information. So let's see, male, female, but when we change female, here in icon is not changed. So let's make it working. So we have to specify selected gender, because we bind with selected gender dot or equal to m and male, otherwise female. So when user click on edit, we have to specify default gender, because in edit item that already we have gender information. So let's go to this.candidate.id greater than 0, then string gender list dot gender list dot find, then expression at code equal to this dot candidate dot gender. So we are get candidate gender. So let's specify this dot selected gender equal to item, otherwise else if candidate id is 0, then this dot selected gender equal to, let's specify default gender is 0 index item. Let's see output which work. Click on, so default is male. If I select female, so it's female display, drop down works perfectly. Let's click on edit, so in edit item male, female, so female works. So we almost done with edit candidate information. Now create one more confirm dialog box, confirm from PrimeNG control. When user remove this particular candidate information, we alert that you are you sure to remove this candidate information. If user select yes, then we are allowed to remove this thing. So let's go to add confirmation dialog box information. Go to PrimeNG site. We have confirm dialog. So confirm dialog, we have to import two things: confirm dialog module and confirmation service. So let's go to module.ts and confirmation module and confirmation service. So let's import here also. Let's go to candidate list. So here we have button, trace button. So let's bind event here to click delete candidate. So let's bind delete candidate event to a particular candidate. So delete candidate list, delete candidate, reloads type is candidate. To implement, we have to inject confirmation service in confirmation service in constructor. So let's copy, inject this confirmation service. So confirmation service imported, and also make sure here also imported. So let's make confirmation service. So it's successfully imported. So now let's go to here. Now we have this information. Copy this thing and we put here. On confirmation, are you sure that you want to remove this candidate? So here accept actual logic to perform confirmation. So here is our logic if user accept confirmation. So let's do it. So first of all, we are going to remove call service, remove candidate, then this dot candidate list equal to this dot candidate list filter not equal to candidate. So we remove this candidate from our list. We are going to implement delete logic in our candidate info service. So let's see. So here is confirmation service import by module. Please add ng module annotation. So we have to specify in a component confirmation is a service, type is service. So we have to also import into providers. So specify in providers confirmation service. Move from here confirm dialog tag, copy, let's put here confirm dialog, moves So successfully message loaded. Are you sure? If you want to remove this candidate, so it successfully worked. If yes, it's remove. Yes, remove. So it's successfully removed, but not from database. It's removed from local data. So it successfully removed candidate information, but not from database service. So let's add this logic in our service to remove candidate information. So number is .http.delete. Return type is any. Candidate list here. We are going to import the service candidate service dot delete candidate dot id subscribe data. So same where is return type data dot success. It should be here. So when successfully remove candidate from database, then we are going to remove that candidate from our candidate list object also. So let's remove candidate information. Yes, so it's successfully removed. If no, then do nothing. It's working fine. So we successfully created our functionality using PrimeNG controls: add, edit, and remove. Please do not confuse with save candidate web service method, because in that method I validate information using id is greater than 0, then going to update candidate information, otherwise insert. So it's working both way. Maybe your web service you have to use put method to edit candidate information. So thank you friends.